Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Today we are making mac and cheese, but we're going to make a really indulgent mac and cheese. So to do that we make cheese that superstar of the dish. So there's going to be more cheese than there is macaroni, so it becomes cheese and mac rather than a mac and cheese. So we're going to use 3 cheeses for this. We've got 2 from Switzerland, we've got a Comte and a Gruyere cheese. And then we travel over to Italy and we take a Parmesan, which is going to give us that savouriness, saltiness to that dish. So let's get right into this recipe, and we're going to start by making our cheese sauce. So to start, we'll get some butter into our pan and we'll get that melting down nicely. So now that butter melted down, we're just going to add some flour. So equal quantities of flour and butter. So we're going to cook this flour out, which is going to open up the starch molecules within the flour. And this will be able to create our sauce as it forms the gel when we add milk later. So our sauce is slowly starting to become velvety, creamy and more sauce-like. So I'll add a splash white wine vinegar. We start adding our cheese. Got Comte cheese, Gruyere cheese and Parmesan cheese. And by grating, making the particle size of the cheese smaller, we're going to help that cheese to emulsify into that sauce.